So Infinity can support a very big number of different sources, different data sources from these different sensors and different places. In the current view, 3D view, we can see some line work, some traverse data represented by those yellow lines, some scan data from the multi-station MS60 and IFC model, and also this panoramic view from the images collected by the MS60, which were used, for example, to colorize the point cloud. So we need a way to control the visibility of all of this information. There is a number of ways of doing it, but keeping it simple, we can do it from the Layer Manager tool, which you can find either here or over there. So Layer Manager. This opens up effectively what is a very CAD-like style environment where you can enable or disable some information. So for example, for our line work, those would be lines. So if I find lines, I can then turn them off, like so. Yellow lines will be total station observations, or TPS observations as we call them, and I can inclusively filter here by TPS, and this will take me to the correct position, like so. Let me disable my filter. The images here would be, for example, what we call image frustrums, which can also be disabled. Okay, so that should be simple enough. Obviously, being CAD-like tools, if there are different line types that you want to use, we could control here the line widths as well for the line styles. Let me also bring the lines back in, just to refer something else. Okay, so you might notice that there's an export column. So when we are exporting the data then to a CAD file or a shape file, or even DVX, we might want to control what information actually gets exported. So in this case, this information will be exported to an external file, but if I click on it, then it will still be visible, but I wouldn't be able to export it to that file, okay, which is a nice, useful feature. Okay, hope you liked it, and I'll see you soon.